Yeah. Type T. Yeah. Tuskegee, let's go. Look, Tuskegee, for real, I give you all of me. But we probably gon' need your help, cause you know ain't no team. This is real, no make-believe. It's time to rebuild this dream. We gotta take the city back and give it to my kings and queens. We tired of asking, we doing it now. Shout out to everyone holding us down. If you don't like it, it don't come around. Stop at a hating, boy, don't make a sound. Keep sleeping on us when we running the town. Your ruling is over, now give us the crown. I gotta know why you riding and out, no more going in circles, no riding around, yeah. And just like Jeezy, we put on for our city. And if you trying to go against us, then we show you no pity. We don't care how long it takes, ain't no stopping us really. And if you think we slowing down, then you gotta be silly. Let's go. Tuskegee, 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 this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 with you I always will.
What's up, everybody? So we're at the Let's Rebuild Tuskegee event at Moton Field, helping out the Red Tail Scholarship Foundation.
I am taping the trim because we're about to paint the wall gray, and so we have to tape the trim so we won't get gray paint on this trim right here.
Students here, Amelia Talbert, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about Red Tail.
Hey, so the Red Tail Scholarship Foundation was founded to increase the number of African American aviators in the United States and in the world. So currently we're operating out of Moton Field right here in Tuskegee, and we do all of our training here. So we want to upgrade our building. So right now we're in our FBO, which is Flight-Based Operations Building, and we're doing some renovations, and we have Rebuild Tuskegee here to help us, so that's really great.
So right now I'm just unscrewing these screws for the whiteboard so we can take it down.